Well, I am very grateful for the opportunity that the people of the 5th District have given me to serve the people of the 5th District. It is a great honor. Not a lot of people know this. About 12,000 men have served in Congress, and only 294 women have ever served in Congress. And 101 of us are serving right now. So it's especially an honor to be a woman and to have the opportunity to serve in Congress. And I take that opportunity to serve very, very seriously. I am there to help other people, not to be helped and not to be served myself. The good Lord has given me lots of energy, lots of ideas, and lots of stamina. And I think I still have a great deal to contribute to the people of the 5th District and to the people of North Carolina and to the people of the country. So I would like to take the wonderful experience that I've had in education and in the private sector to translate ideas from my constituents into legislation and help my constituents who run into problems with the federal government get those problems solved. I don't think it's time yet for me to go home, and I'm going to continue to serve as long as the good Lord gives me the opportunity to do so, and the people of the 5th District vote for me. And I thank you very much again, everybody here, everybody who's listening, and everybody who's voted for me. And I will ask you again to support me in my re-election bid. Thank you, and God bless you.
North Carolina 5th District Congresswoman Virginia Foxx.